Did you know that garlic was once considered so valuable that it was used as currency in ancient civilizations? That's right, the humble garlic bulb we know today held great significance in the bygone eras of Egypt, Greece, and Rome. Revered not only for its tantalizing aroma and taste, it was also celebrated for its potent health benefits. But the allure of garlic extended even further. It was ingrained in religious rituals, acting as a shield against malevolent spirits. Clearly, garlic was more than just a flavor enhancer in ancient times. It was a symbol of strength, courage, and healing. Garlic's influence isn't limited to the kitchen. It permeates folklore and traditional medicine too. Imagine a time when garlic was revered not just as a spice, but as a symbol of strength and healing. In the annals of folklore and mythology, garlic was believed to imbue individuals with courage and protect them from evil spirits. Quite the reputation for a humble bulb, wouldn't you agree? Transitioning from the realm of legends to the world of traditional medicine, garlic's significance only grows. For centuries, this pungent plant has been used as a natural remedy to bolster the immune system. It's also been claimed to treat respiratory conditions, an old-world cough syrup, if you will. And if that's not impressive enough, garlic has been used to lower cholesterol and improve skin health too. So the next time you're peeling a clove of garlic, remember, you're holding a piece of medicinal history in your hands. Fast forward to today, and garlic continues to reign supreme in our kitchens and hearts. This humble bulb is now a global superstar, enhancing the flavor of dishes across different cuisines, from Italian pastas to Asian stir-fries. Beyond the culinary world, garlic's medicinal properties are still celebrated. It's used in modern medicine to boost the immune system, combat respiratory conditions, and even improve skin health. And let's not forget about natural remedies, where garlic is often the star ingredient. Now, if you're enjoying these fascinating facts about garlic, make sure to hit the subscribe button for more intriguing food history. And that is the brilliant history of garlic. Do you have any unique garlic stories or recipes? Share them in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more Botanic Mystics history lessons.